This is not just about turning an Excel file into insights. Anyone can upload a single Excel file and get a few charts. But businesses don't run on one Excel file. Every day, every week, and every month, businesses generate new data, sales data, marketing data, customer data, operational data. So here's the real question. What happens when new Excel files arrive tomorrow, next week, or next month? Are you going to build a new dashboard every time? Of course not. One Excel file turning into insights is just the beginning. The real challenge is creating a system that continuously monitors business performance as new data arrives. And that's exactly what we're going to show you in this video. How to turn Excel files into a scalable business intelligence system. How to automatically update dashboards with new data. And how to monitor business performance over time without rebuilding reports again and again. Let's get started. Go to ld.com, create a free account, and log in. Simply drag and drop your Excel or CSV file. Within seconds, LD prepares your data and takes you to the analysis workspace. Here, you can explore trends, patterns, and business performance. Want a dashboard instantly? Go to Home, open Dashboard, and click AI Build. That's it. LD automatically creates a complete dashboard for your data. Click Show KPIs to instantly view your most important business metrics. But dashboards are only part of the story. Elldy Analyst AI explains your data in simple language, helping you understand trends, spikes, opportunities, and changes in your business. Now let's see how it works with new data. Imagine you upload this week's sales data and create a dashboard. Next week, when new sales data arrives, simply upload the new Excel file. You don't need to rebuild anything. LD automatically appends the new data and updates your existing dashboard. Your dashboard now shows both weeks of sales data, helping you track performance over time. The same process works for daily, weekly, and monthly reports. With a one-time setup, you can continue uploading new Excel or CSV files while your dashboards stay updated automatically. No rebuilding dashboards, no manual reporting, no complex data preparation. Just upload your latest data and LD keeps your dashboards up to date while Elldy Analyst AI explains what is happening in your business. Spend less time creating reports and more time making better decisions. LD, from Excel files to continuous business intelligence. Looking to turn your data into business growth? LD is an AI-powered data intelligence and BI platform that helps you analyze data, build dashboards, track KPIs, monitor business performance, and uncover insights in minutes. Simply upload your Excel or CSV files and let Elldy Analyst AI explain trends, patterns, opportunities, and business performance. Get started for free at ld.com. Want to learn data analytics and business intelligence? Join Elldy Academy and learn through real business case studies, hands-on projects, dashboards, KPI analysis, and AI-powered analytics. Enroll for free and start building industry-ready skills today. Visit ld.com and check the description for Elldy Academy.